In the ancient practice of traditional Chinese medicine, there are simple yet profoundly effective techniques designed to restore balance to your body's internal energy. One of these methods involves the targeted stimulation of a specific energy point known as Yuji. To locate it, gently examine your palm, specifically the fleshy area nestled between your thumb and the base of the first metacarpal bone. This particular point is highly regarded for its unique ability to dissipate internal heat and significantly improve the overall quality of your sleep. To begin activating it, form a loose, relaxed fist with your hand. Position this fist directly over the Yuji point and perform 108 steady, rhythmic strikes. Ensure your movements are gentle but firm. Once completed, mirror this exact process on your other hand. You will quickly notice a profound sense of relief, accompanied by a deep, lingering relaxation. This method functions by actively engaging your skin's sensory receptors, which in turn stimulates your nervous system. As a result, you will experience a reduction in stress levels and a noticeable improvement in your blood circulation. Aim to practice this routine for 3 to 5 minutes daily for the best results. Now, pay close attention to how you feel afterward. If your sleep becomes noticeably calmer and deeper, it is a clear indication that your body still possesses sufficient internal resources to recover. However, if the positive effect feels merely temporary, or if your sleep patterns continue to be disturbed, this serves as an important warning sign of deeper system exhaustion. Understanding these deeper signals is the key to true, lasting health. Remember, consistency is essential. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.